Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something truly different in the world of compact RVs and microcampers. At first glance, this vehicle looks like a futuristic city car. But once you examine it closely, you realize it's actually a cleverly designed camper built for modern travel and urban adventures. This is the UMC Micro Camper, a compact three-wheel recreational vehicle that combines smart engineering with minimalist living. And honestly, it's one of the most interesting small campers we've seen in recent years. Let's start with the exterior design because that's the first thing that grabs your attention. The matte dark gray body gives this camper a sleek and premium look. It feels modern, almost like something designed for the next generation of electric vehicles. Another unique feature is the three-wheel configuration. With a single wheel at the front and two wheels at the rear, this design helps keep the vehicle compact and lightweight. This layout also improves maneuverability, which means navigating tight city streets or crowded parking spaces becomes much easier. Now let's talk about the size. One of the biggest advantages of this camper is how compact it is. Traditional RVs can be difficult to park and expensive to maintain, but a micro camper like this is built for simplicity. It's small enough for daily urban use while still providing the essentials for road trips and short adventures. Another feature worth noting is the roof structure. From the design, it appears that the roof may include either storage racks, ventilation systems, or possibly solar panels depending on the final configuration. Typically, a micro camper like this would include a small seating area that converts into a sleeping bed. This convertible design allows the same space to serve multiple functions during the day and night. We could also expect a compact kitchenette inside. Another possible feature could be a small workstation area. With more people working remotely than ever before, many camper designs now include a small desk or table where travelers can work from their laptops while enjoying life on the road. Of course, a micro camper of this size will have some limitations. It's most suitable for solo travelers, or possibly two people who are comfortable living in a very compact space. Storage capacity will be limited, and depending on the design, it may not include a full bathroom. Overall, the UMC Micro Camper presents a fascinating vision of what the future of compact RV travel could look like. It combines modern design, efficient engineering, and minimalist living into one smart package. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering innovative campers, future vehicles, and unique travel machines, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews just like this.